You can of course schedule a meeting through a Zoom client, but you can also schedule a meeting through the Zoom website by logging into your ID. So we're exactly going to do that in this lesson. So I'm in zoom.us, as you can see. So I've already logged in, and now I'm going to go to my account right over here. So to schedule a meeting, on the left side you can see that there's meetings right over here where you can go, or you can go on the top as well where you can find that there's a schedule a meeting or join a meeting option. So of course, to join a meeting or host a meeting, you need to have the Zoom client installed, but to schedule you do not need the client installed. So even if you're using some other computer, then you can simply schedule a meeting through your account right over here. So now to schedule a meeting, I'm going to click on schedule a meeting right over here, and here you can give a topic to the meeting. So I'm going to say this is a test. I'm going to say that this is a test as well, as you can see, and then you can set a date on when you want to set up the meeting right over here. So I'm going to choose a date right over here and choose a time right over there, as you can see. So not 1 a.m. but around 10 a.m. would be good. So duration would be 1 hour, and then time zone, you can choose that out as well. You can choose this out as a recurring meeting over here as well. So that's the meeting ID, as you can see. So you can use your personal ID or you can generate your ID, as you can see. So I'm just going to use my personal ID right over here. So password would be required, and video I'm going to set both on right over here, and in meeting option, join before the host and mute participants on entry. So I do want both of them to be checked on. So once I press save, the meeting will be scheduled, as you can see right over here. So now you can add the time. So you can add it to Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar, and then just continue with it, and you can also start the meeting. But of course, for this one you need to have the Zoom client installed. So if you were to click on Outlook Calendar right here, it'll download the meeting details right over here. So once I open up, you can see that it has been set on the calendar. You can invite people from right over here, just like that. And that is how you can schedule a meeting in Zoom via the web login. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.